Welcome to this honest review of MailChimp, one of the most well-known email marketing platforms on the market. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution for creating, sending, and managing email campaigns, MailChimp might be the tool for you. In this video, I'll take you through its interface, key features, pricing, and my personal experience using the platform. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of whether MailChimp is the right choice for your business or marketing needs. Starting with the dashboard, MailChimp offers a clean and intuitive interface, making it accessible for beginners while still providing advanced tools for experienced marketers. Upon logging in, you can easily navigate through different sections such as campaigns, audience management, automation, and analytics. Creating a new email campaign is straightforward, with a step-by-step setup process guiding you through choosing a template, adding content, and scheduling delivery. Point one of MailChimp's standout features is its email automation. You can set up automated sequences based on user behavior, such as welcome emails for new subscribers or follow-ups for inactive contacts. The drag-and-drop email builder allows you to customize emails with images, text, and dynamic elements without needing any coding knowledge. MailChimp also integrates with a variety of third-party tools, including e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, making it an excellent choice for online businesses looking to boost customer engagement. Another important aspect is audience segmentation. MailChimp allows you to segment your email list based on customer data, such as location, past purchases, or engagement levels. This helps improve targeting and ensures that subscribers receive relevant content. Additionally, MailChimp provides robust analytics, giving you insights into open rates, click-through rates, and overall campaign performance. These analytics help refine your strategies and optimize future email campaigns. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. MailChimp offers both free and paid plans. The free plan includes up to 500 subscribers and 1,000 emails per month, which is great for small businesses or those just starting with email marketing. However, as your subscriber list grows, you may need to upgrade to one of the paid tiers, which unlock additional features such as advanced automation, A/B testing, and enhanced analytics. Pricing can be a bit steep compared to some competitors, so it's important to evaluate your needs before committing to a plan. In terms of deliverability, MailChimp generally performs well, ensuring that emails land in inboxes rather than spam folders. However, some users have reported issues with account suspensions due to strict compliance policies. If you're in an industry that MailChimp is cautious about, such as affiliate marketing, it's crucial to review their terms of service to avoid unexpected disruptions. Overall, MailChimp is a powerful and user-friendly email marketing platform with strong automation and analytics capabilities. It's ideal for small businesses, e-commerce stores, and digital marketers who want an all-in-one solution. However, pricing and compliance policies may be drawbacks for some users. If you're looking for an email marketing tool that balances ease of use with advanced features, MailChimp is worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more in-depth reviews and tutorials on digital marketing tools. Thanks for watching.